So for this video, I will show you guys how to actually make more money on this bot. And yeah, basically just showing you how by signing up some other people, your friends, family, or if you want to start a TikTok channel or whatever you want to do, this is how you can make a little bit of extra money. So this is obviously my advertising page, but if you go into your cashback page, you'll see this gift certificate, and basically what it is every time someone uses this, you do get 5% of their purchases. So if for example someone uses this gift certificate and then they see that it's going okay, that I've given this gift certificate to them, they can see it's making profit, they might want to put $200 in. And if they put $200 in, then I will get 5%, so $10 back will go straight into my cashback account. So you can either withdraw that straight away or you can reinvest that. So you've got the immediate option to withdraw that money or reinvest it. I obviously prefer always reinvesting it. Obviously it's up to you, but yeah, so that's another way you can make money with this thing. And just on a side note, some people think, well, that makes it look more scammy, but so what you've got to take into consideration is you aren't getting that 5% unless they deposit money into the advertising program. So once that money is in the advertising program, the business, the AR Marketing or Wexford Alliance group, are not actually making, they're not actually just giving you that 5%. They're making 45% of profit of all the sales, of all the affiliate sales that you create, that your friend creates with that money. So that's where the 5% is coming from. They've got belief in their own bot and system that it will make money, so they're rewarding you for investing into their company and bringing more people to invest in their company. So that's pretty much that. If you like the video, please like it and subscribe to the channel for more. Join the Discord. It's just new now, so you can ask us any questions, be shown how to sign up, and do all sorts of stuff. So yeah, thanks for watching.